This is probably my favorite song that I've written, and it's called Truck Didn't Run. She fires up every time, never needs a second drive. 250,000 miles, but that thing don't seem to mind. First crank she rose to life, that truck will never die. But this is the only time I wish it didn't run or drive. 'Cause she left me in that 1987 Chevrolet, and nothing could hurt more than watching your love walk out the door, and all I can see is taillights in the dust, that mix of two-tone rust. Girl, you drove me crazy, so now I wish for you, baby, that truck didn't run. That truck didn't run. Her daddy bought her used back in '98. The only dent it had was on the tailgate, and the wheels will fall off and it'll turn to rust before that 350 don't wanna run a little louder than she likes it. It burns a lot of gas, but that thing was built to last. And now that I've got nothing to lose, I wish that truck it didn't move. 'Cause she left me in that 1987 Chevrolet, and nothing could hurt more than watching your love walk out the door, and all I can see is taillights in the dust, that mix of two-tone rust. Girl, you drove me crazy, so now I wish for you, baby, that truck didn't run. That truck didn't run. She left me in the 1987 Chevrolet, and nothing could hurt more than watching your love walk out the door, and all I can see is taillights in the dust, that mix of two-tone and rust. Girl, you drove me crazy, so now I wish for you, baby, that truck it didn't run.